So at this point in the lessons, you know the names of all the chess pieces, how they move, and how they capture. In this lesson, we're going to be introducing a new concept that's called check. When you hear the word check in the game of chess, it means that someone's king is being attacked. When a king is being attacked, or otherwise said, when a king is in check, it means that that king on its next move, that it has to get out of check. And I just wanted to show you how many ways we can use these pieces to get this king into check using just one move. So one person will play this white side, the other person will move the black king around, and let's just take a look at a few different ways that we can get this king into check in just one move. We can move this rook down this h file to h8, and now this rook is attacking this king. So if we look at this, this king cannot move anywhere along this 8th rank anymore because this rook is controlling that whole rank. It's attacking the king, so it's in check, so the king has to move, and the king can't move to here because you notice the queen is attacking this whole file. So the king has to move to either here or here to get out of check. So let's just say the king moves to here. So the goal of this game is to try to use a different piece. Don't just move this piece and say check again. Try to find a different piece that you can now get this king into check one more time. You might be able to see that you can move this other rook down here to a7. And now this rook is controlling the 7th rank, putting the black king in check again. The king still can't move over to here because of the queen. So the king can either move here or here because it can't go backwards, still due to this rook. Let's just say it moves to here. And now for a third time, let's find a different piece that we can use to attack this king to get it in check. Let's just move this queen one square diagonal, and now this queen is attacking the king again. So now that you've gotten the king in check 3 successful times using 3 different pieces, this is a great time to reset the board and switch turns. Let your friend now play the white pieces and you move the black piece around. If you can learn how to move these different pieces to attack the king and what options the king has to get out of check for this lesson, you're doing really great, and we'll see you back here in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.